24/7 dash cam protection with BlackVue's parking mode was created for peace of mind. The PowerMagic Ultra battery keeps your dash cam running without draining your vehicle's battery while using parking mode. The PowerMagic's battery's lightning-fast recharge time enables you to stay out longer with the same protection you'd get while driving down the road. Simply plug it into the cigarette lighter or hardwire it to your vehicle's battery for faster charging. Easily check your charging time and remaining power from the BlackVue app. With the PowerMagic Ultra battery, not only can you count on your vehicle's battery to be ready when you return, you can rest easy knowing your dash cam is on guard through the night. Compact, fast charging, long lasting. Get yours at BlackVue.com.